Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to upload images or videos to Lovable AI. All right, let's begin. First, open any web browser and go to the official Lovable website. Sign into your account using your login details. After signing in, select the project you want to work with. Next, locate the chatbot section inside your project. In the chat area, look for the plus icon, which is used to add extra content to your prompt. Click on this plus icon to open additional options. From the menu, select the Attachments option. This feature allows you to upload different types of media directly into the chat. Choose whether you want to upload an image or a video from your device. Select the file you want to use and wait for it to upload completely. Once the media is attached, type your instruction and ask the AI to perform the required task using the uploaded file. The AI will then process your request using the provided media. So that's basically how you can upload images or videos to Lovable AI. That's it for this video. Thanks.